For me, I started when I was about 13. I didn't know it was Wicca. I just practiced magic. No one taught me how to do it. I did it myself. People said it was OCD. Nah. Anyway, going live now. Breaking news: the Taal supervolcano in the Philippines has just erupted for the first time in 43 years. I have been obsessing over this volcano for the past couple months, and I guess inadvertently my obsession might have caused the volcano to erupt. Thankfully, there's really not many people that live around the volcano, but thousands of people have been evacuated as a precaution as there's been inflation going on at the volcano. It's been showing levels of unrest for years, and I guess it finally blew its top. Eruption so far is explosive, but not extremely. There's a lava fountain, and there's a lot of ash going on, so it is lava fountaining. The fact it's lava fountaining is a good sign. It means that the lava is more fluid and not viscous. It's not a true gray eruption like the way it used to be. But Taal is a supervolcano. It had two volcanic eruptions 150 and 100,000 years ago. And Taos. What's so concerning is that Taal hasn't erupted in 43 years, and it frequently erupts every 2 to 3 years. If you remember the 1747 eruption that buried nearby towns and villages under feet and feet of ash, Taal only erupted 5 years before.
Now arriving at Wellesley Hills.
Taal.
Exit the train. Only at a door attended by a crew member. Thank you.
Yeah, Taal has just undergone an eruption. Thousands have been evacuated.
Wellesley Hills.
Every second they're saying something. Jesus Christ. Anyway, the Taal supervolcano has just erupted. I'm still calling it a supervolcano because it is a caldera. The whole lake is a caldera. Taal Lake is a caldera. It's actually, I would say it's a Soma-type volcano because it's a crater within a crater. You have the volcano, this caldera. You have the volcano, the island, and a crater in the middle. So it's basically a supervolcano because you have the big caldera, which is Taal Lake. You have the smaller island in the middle of the lake, and you have another crater in the island as well. That crater is from the more recent eruptions. But Taal Lake hasn't erupted since 1977, and that was a phreatic eruption. This eruption that's going on now is fully magmatic. It's a magma-driven eruption, not phreatic at all. There's lava fountaining going on. There's a lot of ash being emitted. This could become the next Pinatubo. I mean, that could be good news for the climate because, you know, a big volcanic eruption would cool off the climate a little bit. That's what I've been hoping for. But I was hoping for a more, you know, unpopulated area. So Lake Taal, I believe, will continue to erupt now, and it may become a very violent eruption because the fact that it's a caldera type volcano, and, you know, Volcano Discovery says it's a very highly explosive volcano, is very concerning. Most of the eruptions at Taal are explosive, not effusive. Taal has no history of lava flows. That's that type of magma. And the fact that it hasn't erupted over 40 years, a lot of pressure is building up. The fact that this eruption might clear the throat in the magma chamber, and then you might get mixing in the chamber, you could get a massive, massive eruption on par with Krakatoa and Pinatubo. I had a vision of, well, like a dream, that Taal is going to have not a super eruption, but a very explosive eruption in 2021. Which I believe will be VEI 6 to VEI 7, which is on par with Krakatoa, Tambora, not Toba, Tambora, and the Heptike eruption at Taupo. This February is going to be extremely snowy in winter, especially late January, early February. It'll be very cold and snowy for much of the northern United States, northeast. I expect a massive blizzard in March for the Northeast U.S., especially New York, Boston, Philly. Well, thank you all for watching. I'll make another update and see if this eruption becomes catastrophic or if it slows down. But yes, the Taal supervolcano has just erupted.
Now arriving
Thank
at
you. Bye.
Wellesley Square.